Hello friends, I would like to present to you the super brand from Indus Viva, the iPulse. iPulse is the best immune booster multi-fruit juice known for its functional health benefits. In addition to this, iPulse is the best antioxidant fruit blend known for its cardioprotective benefits. The driving force behind iPulse is the presence of an important antioxidant ingredient, acai berry. Acai berry fruit has one of the best ORAC score of more than 1 lakh. It is arguably the world's #1 superfruit indigenous to the Amazon rainforest of South America. It is also a part of NASA's space drink AS-10 for protecting astronauts from radiation. Apart from acai berry, iPulse also has a blend of 14 other antioxidant fruits. 60 ml of iPulse gives you the benefit of 3.5 kgs of freshly plucked organic garden fruits and its ORAC score is 7000. iPulse effectively supports healthy lipid levels, maintains healthy blood pressure, provides complete heart protection, anti-cancer support, supports healthy digestion, supports overall health. iPulse can be safely used across all age groups without worrying much about the side effects. For effective results, you may consume 30 ml of iPulse twice daily, half an hour before your food. Consume iPulse for a happy and healthy life. Hello friends, I want to introduce to you all a wonderful product from Indus Viva, the iCoffee. You know, coffee is the largest consumed brewed beverage around the world. How about having a coffee which supports your healthy blood sugar levels? Isn't it exciting? iCoffee is a revolutionary product from Indus Viva which contains a premium blend of coffee extracted from superior coffee beans sourced from Coorg region of Karnataka. iCoffee is presented to you in two variants, iCoffee Creamer and iCoffee Black. It contains the goodness of salsitol, which is a patented herbal extract from the roots of the plant Salacia reticulata, otherwise called as Ekanayakam or Saptaranga, dating back to 500 BC, which is used in Ayurvedic system of medicine for the management of diabetes. iCoffee is a holistic health supplement which supports your healthy blood sugar levels and can be used in all types of diabetes. iCoffee can be safely used across all age groups without side effects. For effective results, consume iCoffee twice daily, half an hour before your food. Replace your regular coffee with iCoffee without compromising the authentic taste of coffee. Hello friends, I would like to brief you all about a fabulous weight management product from Indus Viva, iSlim Flat Tummies. Unlike other protein-based slimming bars available in the market, iSlim Flat Tummies is rich with patented herbal extracts for effective weight loss. iSlim Flat Tummies bar is presented to you in 4 mouth-watering flavors of mango, orange, vanilla and chocolate. iSlim is composed of patented smart ingredients which includes Coleus forcefoli, known for reducing weight, Salacia reticulata, which reduces impaired sugars, and Sesamum indicum, which effectively reduces cholesterol. iSlim is also composed of multivitamins, multiminerals, dry fruits and nuts, natural fibers, very low protein, which helps in reducing overweight and obesity. In addition to this, iSlim Flat Tummies is 100% natural and free from preservatives and has no side effects and safe to be used across all age groups. For effective results, iSlim Flat Tummies bar must be consumed between 7 pm to 9 pm in the night after an optional light dinner at 6 pm. Drinking around 3.5 liters of water every day is highly recommended, and with appropriate diet and exercise, iSlim Flat Tummies is a wonderful product for effective weight management. Now it's your turn to start iSlim. Will you? Hello friends, I will introduce you all to an awesome Nutri-Cosmetic product from Indus Viva, the iGlow. iGlow is first of its kind internal cosmetic product which is composed of herbal ingredients and antioxidants which conditions your beauty from inside and makes your skin glow outside. iGlow is presented to you in 4 mouth-watering flavors of strawberry, blackcurrant, mango and orange. iGlow is 100% natural product composed of best quality saffron sourced from Kashmir Valley, known for its skin moisturizing and skin healing properties since the times of Ayurveda. Apart from saffron, iGlow also contains the goodness of natural plant collagen, grapeseed extract, licorice extract, kojic acid, natural lutein and coenzyme Q10. iGlow helps in skin lightening, anti-aging, skin moisturizing, reduces dark spots and pimples. It also purifies your blood and detoxifies your liver which improves your skin health and gives you the best complexion. Eye Glow is suitable for all age groups and skin types. It is suitable for men, women and kids across all age groups and with no side effects. For better results, you can consume up to 2 Eye Glow sachets per day, preferably 15 minutes after food. Gulp an Eye Glow right away and rejuvenate your skin.